Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, July 9th, and I'm going to be analyzing the pound US dollar starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top down analysis. So, on the pound US dollar monthly, I still think this is either a running flat wave C, which would look like that, or possibly it's an expanding flat, which I still think is the more likely scenario, which most likely would bring us up and take out these previous highs. So let's keep that in mind as we go down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, I think this is very, very clearly five waves up over here, like a wave one. I think this is a big WXY, like a wave two, and I think we're already in that wave three. I think that the higher time frames, like the weekly and daily, will continue to make higher highs and higher lows, all part of this big wave three. So taking it down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, I do think that we're already in the wave three of three. I think we already have five waves up, especially looking at correlated pairs like the Euro US dollar. I think this is a wave one right here. I think this is a kind of like a expanding flat, one, two, three up for correction for a B and then five waves down for a C. I think that we most likely already have the wave two complete, and I think that most likely we are just going to keep on trending up for a wave three. Most likely the higher time frames like the daily and weekly will continue to make those higher highs and higher lows. Going down to the 4 hour time frame, we are definitely in a little bit of a pullback right now, which is great news for us because if we do get a nice three-way pullback down to a Fibonacci level, that's exactly what I would be looking for the continuation of the uptrend. So taking it right down to the 1 hour time frame. On the 1 hour time frame, it does look like impulsive down. More than likely, it's a wave A. I think that we probably will make a little bit of a push up, which should be a wave B, and I would expect to see at least another push down for a wave C. Now, if it goes down to the 61.8 or maybe even the 78.6, makes a nice impulsive engulfing move to the upside, especially if you can identify a break of structure. That would be exactly what I would be looking for an entry to go long for the continuation of the uptrend. You have to remember the trend is your friend and every other higher time frame is in an uptrend, so that means that we are definitely looking for three-way pullbacks to go long for the continuation of the uptrend. Now, it really doesn't necessarily even have to make a wave C. Keep in mind, I mean, the trend is very strong, especially if it really is a wave three. There is a pretty good chance that this could just keep on trending up from here, making those higher highs and higher lows. So don't forget to join my free Discord group, which is linked down here in the corner. And don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com, if you'd like to get access to my swing trade setups and my daily live Zoom meetings. As always, thank you and happy trading.